I don't know. I should. You think I should call them and see if the pool is open?
Yes.
Because if it's open, then we can go there for a few hours.
A few hours?
Yeah. They get y'all out of the house today. But I don't know if it's open.
You need to call them and see will it be open right now. Or unless it's really during the afternoon.
Hey y'all, welcome to WilderDynasty.
I know my Jerry.
I know about Jerry. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Wow.
So,
August 4th.
happy Friday. Thank you, Fat Daddy, for opening up the blind.
Happy Valentine's Day too.
It's not Valentine's Day.
Yesterday it was.
I'm going to call the gym to see if the pool is open. And if the pool is open, then
We
it
can go.
will definitely be a pool day because it's nice and hot here in Florida.
And it's
for
so
that.
cozy.
So
The water's
I'm
so
going to call them in a
nice.
few minutes. But in the meantime, I'm probably going to fix the kids some breakfast. Did you eat? The gym is open. With the gym being open, I told the kids we're going to wait a few more minutes before we get ready to go because then around like another 30-45 minutes it'll be hotter outside, so I know the water will probably be a little bit warmer than what it is. So I said we will go ahead and go to the pool. The children are outside playing. I can keep my eye on them. I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish editing. The video, like I said, is already edited. I'm just gonna add my music, go ahead and upload this. I just cleaned my kitchen, so that's good. My living room was already clean, so that was good. Dining room, I just have to sweep. That's what I have to do in here. So I'm probably gonna try to finish up like down here before we go, which I'm pretty sure it's not gonna take me that long to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. I don't know if I ever said it, but I love working with Movavi. 10:55. Yes. So I don't know. Okay, so with Movavi, like you can like upload it to YouTube straight off after you finish editing. You can definitely upload it to YouTube. Hashtag this video is definitely not sponsored, but I love working with Movavi. And then I can just save it to whatever file I wanted to, which I saved it to. And then all I do is press like upload, and then the first step is for it saving to my computer. The next step is it'll then show a little bar screen just like this, and it says uploading, and when it's uploading to YouTube. So right here I always set it private just in case I want to go back and do my end cards and everything else like I like to do in my videos. I would definitely put it on here. So yes, that is one thing I love about working and using Movavi. Now it is uploading to YouTube.
Happy swimming day.
It actually paused because my laptop was dying. So, which I did not know that it actually pauses, so it won't like, I guess, lose like the upload spot or whatever. So, you know, that's something I just learned. We are about to go to Chick-fil-A, get us something to eat. And then after Chick-fil-A, I was going to bring my laptop with me, but the pool that's open where we're going, it's not like the kiddie pool, like the 1-inch, 2-inch area where like Fat Mama can like touch the bottom. So I'm gonna have to get in because of her height. Like she's not taller. Like the main pool is open, not like the kiddies pools. So I'm gonna have to get in with her. So I am so dark.
Yes, you are.
Oh, there's some light go. There's some light go. But you just say yes, I am. Just because you light bright back there don't mean nothing.
That means you black don't mean nothing.
And what color are you?
Red.
Somebody come get me.
I'm purple.
Take your clothes off. Not like that.
Mommy, whenever I take it off.
About to go enjoy this.
Oh.
Okay, baby, hold on. Beautiful, beautiful water. With my little robe, my riders. You my rider?
Yeah.
My rider, my rider, my rider.
Ow.
Come on, astronaut. Come on, unicorn.
I can't see where I'm at.
Going to the right.
Ow.
Right?
Ow.
Oh, yo. How did I get a whole sunburn? Fat mama, I got a whole sunburn. An entire sunburn. Like, I feel like we was not even outside that long, but the amount of like burnt we got. Fat mama, what you doing? Okay, leave it alone, please. So that video is uploaded, so I'm gonna do some little my end cards on there and my my end cards, and probably add some more description in it. After that, that'll be ready to be uploaded and scheduled to go out next week sometimes. I'm like burning right now, so I'm gonna let this cool off for a second. Give me a few minutes and then I'm gonna go upstairs and start packing for our little weekend getaway, which I am so excited about. That'll be in a different vlog though. So it says right here, a schedule for tonight.
Mommy.
Yes, it is. Okay, thank you. Y'all, I was about to have a whole like breakdown. Like, how you can't find my reservation? Explain that to me. But they found it. I'm not complaining about it. I'm happy they did. I'm trying to order this food while I am on hold right now. I with Pizza Hut, I can never redeem my points. Never could redeem my points. I don't understand. You know how much free meals I got? And look, something always goes wrong.
I'm hungry.